The Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is an influential tech icon and a billionaire as well, but on the other side, he seems to be the toughest guy in the industry. After having feuds with other giants like Bezos, Biden, and Zuckerberg, Musk has given the last warning to the Russian President Vladimir Putin. Want to know more about it? Well, stay tuned till the video. Welcome to Elon Musk Tube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on SpaceX, Tesla, Starship, or basically anything related to the multi-talented, influential tech icon and billionaire Elon Musk. Now, Elon Musk is concerned about governments, especially the Russian one, competing for artificial intelligence supremacy and sparking World War III. This shocking statement has made all the more shocking by the low expectations the world seems to have for Russia, which US Senator John McCain dismissed just a few years ago as a gas station masquerading as a country. Well, let's not dive right into the topic. Let us function with the basics first. Russian President Vladimir Putin has entered the war of worlds concerning the international race to develop artificial intelligence. While speaking to students, Putin anticipated that whichever country leads the way in AI, research will come to rule global affairs. Artificial intelligence is the future, not only for Russia, but for all humankind, said Putin. It comes with colossal opportunities, but also threats that are difficult to predict. Whoever becomes the leader in the sphere will become the ruler of the world. Now, with deep learning and machine learning, AI can evolve to be smarter over time, thus enhancing the business's efficiency. AI will also significantly reduce the probability of human error and study historical data to cut costs. Facial recognition, pattern identification, and digital content analysis will be some of the huge benefits of artificial intelligence. And not only increasing the business efficiency, AI algorithms will also allow doctors and hospitals to better analyze data and customize their healthcare to the genes, environment, and lifestyle for each patient. From diagnosing brain tumors to deciding which cancer treatment will work best for an individual, AI will drive the personalized medicine revolution. Russian President Vladimir Putin says that whoever achieves a breakthrough in developing artificial intelligence will come to dominate the world. Not many high-profile people, especially the leader of the largest nation on earth, have come forward to blatantly express the potential of AI to be a tool of immense power for a nation to wield. President Putin went on to say that it would be strongly undesirable if someone wins a monopolist position, signifying that Russia's breakthroughs would ideally be shared with other nations. Putin says it is an important aspect to prevent monopolies in the field, adding that if Russia became a global leader in artificial intelligence, it will share its technology with the rest of the world, like we are doing now with atomic and nuclear technology. But if artificial intelligence has so many advantages and can help in so many different ways, then why has Elon Musk not taken a liking to Putin's idea? After these statements, the Russian President Vladimir Putin grabbed Musk's attention, and he responded with a tweet asserting it begins. Elon Musk has indicated again and again that artificial intelligence would be humanity's greatest existential threat, this time by starting a World War III. Technological superiority very easily translates to global political power. This was never more clear than in the aftermath of World War II. Hashing out his thoughts in public, Musk clarified that he was not just anxious about the prospect of a world leader starting the war, but also of an overcautious AI deciding that a preemptive strike is the most apparent path to victory. Elon Musk is less troubled about North Korea's increasingly bold nuclear ambitions, contending that the result of Pyongyang if they launched a nuclear missile would be suicidal, and that it doesn't have any entanglements that would lead to a world war even if it did. His view is that AI is vastly more risky than Kim Jong-un's unled country. Elon Musk's suspicion of AI warfare has been a driving force in his public testimonies for a long time. Elon Musk and 116 other technology leaders sent an entreaty to the United Nations calling for new regulations on how such AI weapons are formulated. This group stated that the beginning of autonomous technology would be tantamount to the third revolution in warfare. Following the development of gunpowder and nuclear weapons, once developed, lethal autonomous weapons will permit armed conflict to be fought at a scale terrific than ever, and at time scales faster than humans can comprehend. These can be weapons of terror, weapons that despots and terrorists use against innocent populations, and weapons hacked to behave in undesirable ways. We do not have long to act. Once this Pandora's box is opened, it will be tough to close. World War III may be initiated not by the country leaders, but one of the AIs if it decides that a preemptive strike is most probable path to victory, Musk added in a subsequent post. The advancement of artificial intelligence has increasingly become a national security concern in recent years. It is China and the US, not Russia, that are seen as the two frontrunners, with China recently announcing its endeavors to become a global leader in AI research by 2030. Many analysts warn that America is in danger of falling behind, especially as the Trump administration had urged to cut funding for basic science and technology research. Although it's thought that artificial intelligence will boost countries' economies in a number of areas from heavy industry to medical research, AI technology will also be beneficial in warfare. Artificial intelligence can be used to develop cyber weapons and control autonomous tools like drone swarms, fleets of low-cost quadcopters with a shared brain that can be used for surveillance as well as attacking hostiles. A few weeks back, AI News reports that China is entangling to the US in artificial intelligence. Part of this instantaneous development is due to a significant increase in government support of core AI programs. China will be increasing its spending to $22 billion in the next few years, with plans to spend nearly $60 billion per year by 2025. Elon Musk has also voiced concerns about this international competition for AI superiority. China, Russia, and soon all countries with strong computer science will pursue AI superiority as the national level, which is the most likely cause of World War III. Both China and the US are presently researching this technology, and in one of his speeches, Putin predicted that future wars would be combated by countries using drones. When one party's drones are destroyed by the drones of another, it will have no other choice but to surrender, asserting that the Russian president, according to the Associated Press. But despite Putin's ambitious goals, Russia's quest for AI domination is unlikely to come in the form of generating AI technological breakthroughs. Both the United States and China possesses digital tech industries that are larger, more sophisticated, and growing faster than Russia's. Artificial intelligence is not about the hype, and it will not fade away over time. Russian President Vladimir Putin said in a plenary session of the international online conference Artificial Intelligence Journey, or the AI Journey. One fascinating bit of rhetoric implies that Putin will continue to argue that Russia must be free to develop AI and other technologies even as the world talks about limiting them. He calls AI crucial not just to Russia's future, but to protect its unique civilization, because it is not just a mere country. In order to not wait in the back of the line, we have to begin working on this today, concluded the president. Also, the major Russian weapons manufacturers, tactile missiles corporations, these are already announced to plans that develop AI missiles. But as warned by Elon Musk, many of those working in the arena don't see AI as a tool for giving rise to a better humanity, and some of them foretell it as a precursor of doom for the human species. But apart from our expectations and thoughts, what do you think about this? What Vladimir Putin is saying is correct, or do you have faith in Elon Musk? Let us know in the comments below. And most importantly, if you want to be updated on every single topic related to Elon Musk, then you should consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon. See you in the next one, and until then, peace out.